Lab 1. Introduction to Erdas Imaging. This lab includes the following contents. What is Erdas Imaging? Today's objective, how to do, homework and questions. What is Erdas Imaging? Erdas Imaging is a processing software package often used to process remotely sensed data such as satellite image. Newer versions has the capability to handle vector data. For more information, kindly check out the link provided. The main objective of Lab 1 is to introduce basic Erdas Imaging 2013 displays and tools. At the end of this laboratory session, the students should be able to operate basic functions of Erdas Imaging 2013 software package. There are two parts activities in Lab 1. Part 1. Students should be able to launch and be familiar with the display and basic functions of the software. Part 2. Students should be able to examine the data to be used. How to do? You are given a dataset of Melaka year 2011. Launch Erdas Imaging. Click on Erdas Imaging icon to launch the software. By default, the software will display the window using 2D view. Get familiar with the basic toolset and tools. There are three main parts. The first one is toolbar, which contains toolset and tools. The second one is table of contents or TOC, is used to manage data in the viewer. And the third one is image viewer to view the data. There are three ways of adding the data in the viewer. The first one, you can go to File, select Open and choose Raster Layer. The second one, you just simply right-click on the image viewer here and click Open Raster Layer. The third one, right-click on the 2D View #1 in TOC and select Open Raster Layer. Once you open Raster Layer, select Layer to add window will appear. Then navigate to your data directory. You can also change the color combinations using multi-spectral tab on the toolbar. You can set the previous settings by right-clicking on the image viewer and change the color combination. Like any other software, this software has the basic functions to zoom in and out and also pan. You can use your cursor to zoom in and out the image. To drag, you can hold your cursor and drag the image right, left, up or down. In the Home tab, the same functions can be found. You can open and overlay two data in one viewer. The data will be listed in the TOC. You can always manage the data in TOC. For example, you can turn on and turn off the layers, drag the layer up or down as you desired. During processing, you might need to view the image using different viewers to view different bands. Let's say one viewer, one band. You can open the image using first 3-layer arrangement or multi-layer arrangement, or you can reach both functions in 3 ways below. Go to File, Open, or right-click on the image viewer, open, and right-click on 2D viewer #1 in the TOC. View the metadata of the data. Examine the information about the data you want to use. Go to Home tab and select Metadata. The new pop-up window appeared contains the information about the data. Look at the General tab here. There are file info, which consists of file path, layer name of the layer you choose, file type, and total number of layers, and also the file size. At the layer info, It shows the width and height. Width is the total number of pixel column and height is the total number of pixel row. At statistic info here shows the maximum and minimum pixel values of the layer. At map info or pixel center here shows the XY coordinate of upper left of the image. And also the XY coordinate of lower right of the image. Projection info also show here in general tab. And you can examine the other tabs available in projection, histogram, pixel data, and GCP table. You can change the layer to view the information of each layer or band of the image here. Determine the coordinate and brightness values. You can get the values of the pixel you desired using the inquire cursor. This functions returns the value of x and y coordinate as well as the pixel value of the particular location. Go to Home tab, select Inquire. Drag the drag the crosshair cursor to desired locations on the image. For fine tuning, use the keyboard to move the crosshair cursor. Examine the data using spectral, spatial, and surface tools. Further examination of the data used can be performed using three simple tools, that is spectral, spatial, and surface tools. These tools give the information of the profile about the frequency of the pixels contained in the image. To access the tools, go to multispectral and select either spectral profile, spatial profile, or surface profile. In the pop-up window, use the crosshair icon and click on the image. The profile will be displayed. Spectral profile shows the pixel value of the point you choose or you select, while the spatial profile is the pixel value of the length at two or more points. And it shows the distance that you select. And the third one is surface profile, which is shows the pixel value of the polygon or area you select. After you finish all the lab 1, you must do homework and question and prepare a report. Thank you.